Alright, boom, it's time to show you how the fuck I get down, man. Breakfast with baby, we doing jerk lamb chops. This is my favorite little jerk rub, man. Voodoo hot. You know what I'm saying? Look, we got the potato. We gonna cook them bitches with onion, salt and pepper, a little more seasoning. I ain't gonna push it down on all my seasons. I love cheese heads, man. You gotta take the white thing out, though. That shit nasty. You know what I'm saying? Look, broccoli, nigga. You know what I'm saying? A little baby broccoli, you know. Big dog shit, Whole Foods on it. Yeah, it's Kirk, nigga. K for Kirk, every time you see me throw it. Alright, boom. Look, I want a smoothie, nigga. Organic orange juice, sliced strawberries, you know, the frozen ones, the mango chunks, the pineapple chunks. You know what I'm saying? And I like to add fresh fruit too in my smoothies. You got always taste the difference, not just the frozen shit. The frozen shit more so for the ice, you know what I'm saying? Big dog shit. Niggas, baby. Okay, look. Boom. I like the pan simmer lamb chops first for my jerk roll on my seasoning. The texture, I'm a texture type nigga. And yeah, I ain't really had time to go through all the other steps, getting out the sauce on how I cook it. But this how I look at, nigga. Fuck you.